Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only nothing else. Therefore, will support and guide me. This is our today article 21 killing explosions at firecrackers warehouse. Out of the hand, debris at the site after a blast at a firecracker warehouse led to blaze in Gujarat, Banaskantha on Tuesday. Buildings in Gujarat, Banaskantha district collapsed. All the deceased hail from Harda and Dewas district of MP. Victims include children and women. Police arrest the owner of the warehouse. Press Trust of India. Palanpur, Gujarat. At least 21%, including children and women, were killed and 6 injured on Tuesday after a powerful blast and blaze ripped through a warehouse where firecrackers were all allegedly stored and manufactured illegally in Banaskantha districts of Gujarat, officials said. The explosion, which occurred around 9:45 a.m., flattened the warehouse in an industrial area near Disa town, around 30 kilometers from the Banakantha district headquarters in North Gujarat. They said all the deceased were from Harda and Devas district of Madhya Pradesh, said collector Mihir Patel. The identify of 90% has been established while DNA samples are being taken to identify two others, he said. The blast was so intense that it sent body parts of workers flying 238 meters away. Even family of workers staying on the same premises were crashed to death after blocks of slab fell on them, the collector said. Deepak Mohanani, who owns the warehouse Deepak Trader, was arrested by a team of Banaskantha police from neighboring Sabarkantha district on Tuesday night. Inspector General of Border Range Chirag Koradia said firecrackers were allegedly stored and manufactured illegally at the warehouse, officials said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel expressed grief over the tragedy and announced an ex gratia to the kin of the deceased. 2 lakh rupee with and 4 lakh rupees respectively, and those injured 50,000 rupee. Meanwhile, opposition party in Gujarat targeted the BJP government, accusing it of negligence. Closing in security forces during operating in Kathua, Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday to track down 3 hiding militants. Special arrangement. This is our next article. Tariff scares spooks market. Sensex plunge 1,390 points. Tariff tumble. The BSE Sensex dropped 1390 points or 1.8% to 76,024, while the NSE Nifty slipped 354 points or 1.5% to 23,165. Lalatendu Mishra read this article. Mumbai. The first day of the new financial year disappointed investors as frontline stock index fell nearly 2%, reflecting fears about the impending global tariff that the United States plan to implement from April to. Gold prices, on the other hand, hit a new record as investors rushed to buy the metal known as a safe haven, while the S&P BSE Sensex plunged 1,390 points or 1.8% to 76,024 points, lead by a fall in technology, finance, and banking stock. The NSE Nifty 50 index slumped by 354 points or 1.5% to 23,165 points amidst high volatility. Major indicators plummeted nearly 2%, reflecting anxiety surrounding the economic implications of US President Donald Trump's imminent reciprocal tariff scheduled for implementation April 2, said Devresh Vakil, head of prime research at IDFC Security. The Nifty Realty, consumer durables, and IT indicators were major losers, while media and oil and gas were the top two indices, which ended in the green. Gold prices hit a new record of 91,120 per rupee 10 gram in the spot market and $3,120 per dollar per, per pronounced in the global market amid heightened demand for the safe haven metal, while the USA dollar index climbed to 103.9 against major currency. This is our English daily English session. K. Subramaniam, S. Upendra. How good is Sarita in chemistry? Well, if you ask me, she is not nearly as good as you are. Does that mean she is almost as good as I am? No, it does not mean. It means there is a big difference between the two of you. You much better than her. Thank you. Here another example. If I say Govinda is not really as tall as Amitabh, it means there is a big difference between the two. That Govinda is much shorter than Amitabh. Is that what you mean exactly? But what if the difference was small? What would you say then? Well, in the case you would use quite as, for example, Ananya is not quite as fast as Achla. Achla, meaning Ananya is a little slower than Achla, right again. So if I say the movie was not quite as good as the book, it means the book was a little better than the movie. But if both were equally good, then you would say the movie was just as good as the book. Many people think that Brain Lara is just as good as Tendulkar. Many people in India would disagree with that. That's true. Are you getting your hair cut today? I can't. All the shops are closed today. But why? Have not you heard? Our local MLA kicked the buckets today, and he did. I did not know that, but tell me, how did kick the bucket came to mean to die? There are several explanations for that. Just give me one. Okay, in the old day, people used comment suicide using the bucket. You are joking, right? No, I am not. You see, when a man wanted to hang himself, he used to tie a rope to a tree and whatever. Then he used to turn a bucket upside down and stand on it. After that, he put the noose around his neck and kicked the buckets away. When he did that, he did. Nowadays, of course, people use either a chair or a stool to hang themselves, but in those days, not everyone had a chair, but everyone had a bucket. And boy, did they kick it. Push in the Hindu, December 26, 1995. This is our daily quiz. Here is a quiz. Everything that happened on April 2. Sidhu Nagaraja make this quiz. Question number 1. The Bishop of Rome, head of the Roman Catholic Church from 1978, who was the first non-Italian pope in 455 years and the first from the Slavic country, died on the day in 2005. Who was he? Question number 2. This international Portuguese filmmaker died on this day in 2015. He is known for his film past and present. Who was he? Question number 3. This crime boss was convicted on 13 criminal court, including the murder of Paul Castellano and other racketeering and obstructing of justice, and was sentenced to life in prison on this day in 1992. Name him. Question number 4. This soap opera debuted as a 5-part misery on American television. The series revolved around a affluent and feuding Texas family, the Ewings, who owned the Independence Oil Company. Ewing Oil named the show. Question number 5. This movie had its world premiere in Washington DC in 1968. It became a classic, setting the benchmark for science fiction film. It was directed by Stanley Kubrick. Named the film. Question number 6. The German sculptor and painter who was leading advocate of rationality and art, who was born on this day in 1891. He was one of the primary pioneers of the Dada movement and surrealism in Europe. Identify the artist. Visual question. Identify the British actor who was born on this day in 1914. Question and answer. Previous date. Daily quiz. Name the Hindi movie released in 2016 that had the movie Bombay High Court against order by the censor board. Udta Punjab. This movie, directed by Sanjay Leela Bansali, had tweaked its little answer Padmavat. This Malayalam movie by Sanal Kumar Sashidhar had tweaked its little answer Durga. This Hindi movie was initially titled Jaffna but was later changed to avoid direction reference Madras Cafe. The INB ministry blocked this two parts documentary from social media. India, the Modi question. Visual question makes of the Irfan Khan trailer removed one word from its title below. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.